Wire wrapping the top piece of this bracelet design is actually easier than it might look. The two main components we're going to be working with is a 2-hole slider bead and some wire. In this particular piece, I use 20 gauge wire, but you could use a little bit thicker. Cut a piece of wire about 6 inches long and start making the loop at the end. I use these round nose pliers to make the loop at the end by taking the wire and folding it over in half. Then twist the wire by leaving the wire still on the round nose pliers. I mess with the twist a little bit just to get a more professional look. The ends of each of the wires is what you'll use to make the size of the bracelet. This is where you'll string up different filler beads to make the size of the bracelet. You can also add charms here as well. I forgot to. Once you have the desired look, it's time to wrap it onto the focal bead. I put the legs of each of the ends into this 2-hole slider bead, and then I fold it upon itself. I wrap the wire around itself, and then I do the other side, and this forms a loop onto the 2-hole slider bead. Again, make sure the sides are exactly how you want them, because there's no going back. You'll have to destroy it. Snip the tails off as close as you can, and then you use pliers to tuck in the ends so that way it doesn't scratch or catch on things. Repeat this entire process for the other side, and you'll have the top half of this bracelet design. For this particular design, I finish it off with leather in the back and use a slip knot. I'll break those steps out into another tutorial, but here is the finished product, a 2-hole slider bead bracelet design that is Western style. If you're interested in learning more about this 2-hole slider bead design, follow along. If you're interested in purchasing the 2-hole slider bead, the link is in my bio.